During the early days of the third wave, Western University residents were the epicenter for an outbreak in the community.
There are inherent challenges with containing a coronavirus or any sort of outbreak where people are sharing washrooms, sharing kitchen space, and otherwise living in close quarters.
Today, the university announced in consultation with the health unit that students living in residence in the fall of 2021 will require at least one shot of the COVID vaccine.
As part of our planning for a full return to fall in-person classes and on-campus experiences, we're looking to prioritize the health and safety of our campus community.
Chris Elaine, Associate Vice President of Housing, says early feedback, especially from parents, has been positive.
This is one less thing to worry about, and it's actually providing some peace of mind because we're prioritizing their loved ones' health and safety.
But considering the vaccine has not been deemed mandatory, the question of whether this infringes on civil rights, Dr. Chris Mackey says legal precedent has been set in terms of schools requiring vaccinations.
Students deserve a safe place to learn, and if they're having to go to classes with people that are not vaccinated and potentially putting them at risk of developing COVID, then that's a serious infringement on their rights.
So while we're talking about schools, I'd go beyond that. And frankly, we have an obligation as citizens of this community to take care of our families and each other. And the most prudent, effective medical way to do that is to get your shot.
Mackey says Fanshawe College has been given the same advice from the health unit. However, a decision has yet to be made on whether vaccines will be required. Merrick Sutherland, CTV News.